Hello, my name is Alida Espinosa, and this is my screencast for my Introduction to Human Sexuality Redesign for the eScholars program. So on the first page, when students log in, they're actually guided into the announcements page. You can see that I have customized a banner here with the course information, details, as well as an image of the textbook that is associated with this class. On the left-hand side, you can see the different links that I've uploaded, and I've kind of separated them into 3 different sections. There's a Start Here module that gives my students all the information they need regarding how to proceed in the class, how to get started and how to proceed in the class. I provide them an introduction to the course video, as well as a screencast similar to this one, but with more detail about how to maneuver within the course, some information about what an online class is, an assessment for so that they can determine whether or not an online class is a good fit for them, and a quick video on how to do well in an online class, some browser and plugin information, a couple of videos that are related to the online course material that is required for this class, and some netiquette rules because they're required to complete a discussion board in the Start Here module. It's called the First Day of Class Introductions discussion board, and it's pretty low stakes. I just have them say something about themselves and what they want to learn in the class, how well they did on the readiness assessment, and you know, if they had to pick a research paper topic today, what it would be. So this is a good way to get them kind of thinking about their research paper and what it is that interests them and want to learn more about for their research paper. I have a syllabus and a Start Here quiz, so that's based on the syllabus and the Start Here module. They're required to get it 18 out of 18, so there's 18 questions, so they're expected to get 100% on the quiz. They have multiple opportunities to get 100%. And then I also tell them when module number 1 will be available. I have, let's see, I have all the different modules for each of the weeks under the weekly modules and Pearson Revel link. So as you can see, there's a link to their Pearson Revel account. And so this is where they can access their digital material, like their textbook, as well as some quizzes. So here are all my modules. They're all laid out in pretty much the same way. I provide them a link to their Pearson Revel online material, a list of assignments, some notes based on the reading. I also have them complete a survey question, and this is based on that week's material that we cover. They have a blog to complete. I have them also read kind of a bogus article, because in the next module I have them compare it to a legitimate peer-reviewed article. So this gets them sort of thinking about what a legitimate research article is for their research paper. And then a couple of videos about kind of introduction videos to human sexuality. I also include on the left-hand menu links, faculty information, the syllabus, link to the discussion boards. There's a link for just the research paper with lots of details, information, assignment details, and sample papers in this link here. And then there's a couple of group assignments, and there's a link to that. Rubrics, the different types of assignments in this class, and then the exams link. So all the exams are housed within this link. I have a link to the tools, and I actually hid the tools that we do not use for this course. I also have an Ask the Instructor and Report Errors forum. So this is kind of a a Q&A forum, which I've sort of separated into different threads. So if their question is about an assignment in, for instance, the Start Here module or the module number 1, etc., they post their question here, and I check this pretty regularly. I also have a final thoughts thread. So at the end of the semester, if they have any final thoughts, they're able to post them here in this public forum. I also have an office hours and online conferences link. So there's 3 conferences that are mandatory for this class, and or we all meet at the same time. So because this is strictly an online course, I hold my office hours and my conferences via Zoom. For students who are not familiar with Zoom, I provide some tutorials. I also provide them a calendar to my an office hour calendar, so they're able to schedule online office hour appointments with me. So I have 10-minute appointment slots, so they can, depending on how much time they think they need, can schedule 1 or more 10-minute appointment slots with me during my office hours. And then also provide instructions for students who are not able to meet with me during my office hours on how they can schedule an appointment with me. So I do that via my email, and then I try to get back to them and meet with them within that week. And then the third section of my links, my left-hand menu links, is Blackboard contact information and help. All right, so this concludes my screencast. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.